Conquest Hospital in Hastings, run by East Sussex NHS Trust, is committed to reducing energy consumption and lowering their carbon footprint. The Trust's 5-year IT strategy includes virtualizing the physical hardware and then consolidating their 2 end-of-life server rooms. Comms Room Services were commissioned to design and build a green solution data center tailored to suit the hospital's requirements. This new state-of-the-art data center, encompassing the latest energy-efficient CoolVap air conditioning solution, will save the Trust £112,650 in electrical running costs over the next 5 years, resulting in reduced carbon emissions. A total of 505 tonnes of carbon will be saved. The hospital is now able to direct this money towards providing the best possible healthcare service to their patients, who ultimately come first in everything the organisation does. The data centre was recently opened by the Secretary of State for Energy and Climate Change, MP Amber Rudd.
And I'm very proud that the hospital at the centre of my constituency, the trust that operates in East Sussex, is at the cutting edge of delivering this. And I hope it'll be a great beacon for other hospital trusts to come and see it.
The old facility was 30 years old. It was really at the end of life and it was just limping along. Every single point had a single point of failure, and we've mitigated all of those risks with the new design. It's given us far more space, and it's allowed us to consolidate our 2 data centres, one in Eastbourne and the existing one that used to be in this environment. One of the benefits was the reliability. The second was the additional space that we've managed to gain through the design. I think the third and top was the energy efficiency that we got from the evaporative cooling solution, as has enabled us to reduce that return on investment to 3 years. Comms Room Services came in with the initial discussions, and then from the design phase right the way through the implementation, they dealt with it from a single point of presence and delivered an excellent service.
So much of what our nurses and doctors and others do on the ward relies on technology 24/7, and this wonderful facility gives us much more security in terms of uptime for that system.
Installation here of 2 evaporative cooling systems, and you can see and the first 2 windows are being used for the main units, pumping the air into the room, and the second 2 windows are being used here for the extraction systems. We were able to install all of the systems through the existing window apertures. That obviously avoided the need for any building works on this wall and massively reduced any reinstatement costs at the end of the lifetime of the data centre.
Comms Room Services develop solutions that deliver maximum energy efficiencies, lowering running costs and carbon emissions. And with this project, East Sussex NHS Trust is able to contribute towards the EU's carbon emissions target of reduction of 20% by 2020.